Ho ho ho, Santa Claus is coming early this year and Simplifier just leveled up. We're excited to introduce the 25.12 release update packed with powerful new features that transform how you build applications with AI. From advanced connectors to intelligent workflow automation, let's explore what's new. First up, comprehensive MCP connectivity. We've added MCP support for REST, SQL, RFC, and SOAP connectors, all with guided prompts and AI-powered testing. Security is built in with OAuth, basic Auth, token, and SAP RFC support. Database integration is seamless with automatic schema exploration. SAP users get full RFC connector capabilities with function browsing. Legacy SOAP systems are fully supported with WSDL integration. And it's all available as a Docker image, listed in official MCP registries including Model Context Protocol, Glama.AI, and MCP.so. Deploy anywhere, connect to anything. The workflow AI just got significantly smarter. When generating workflows, it now automatically creates and manages variables, replacing existing ones and updating translations seamlessly. It recognizes when automation is needed and creates automated tasks for you. Plus, it builds proper decision logic by creating outcomes and conditions using variables, autofields, and constants, delivering truly intelligent, branching workflows. And for developers, we're introducing the Monaco Editor, which brings full ECMA 2022 support. Business object functions, SQL connectors, and templates can now be edited with modern syntax highlighting, intelligent autocomplete for Simplifier APIs, parameter hints, and all the power of a professional code editor right in your workflow. Under the hood, everything is more robust. Enhanced error handling displays AI errors directly in workflow design time, with full LLM output logging for transparency. Gen AI logs are fully compliant with data protection standards, utilizing TLS/SSL encryption and anonymized customer IDs to ensure your data remains secure. From comprehensive connector support for MCP to intelligent workflow automation, from refined developer experience to enterprise-grade security, this release represents our vision for AI-powered development that empowers you to build faster, smarter, and more confidently. Ready to experience the future of low-code development? Upgrade to the latest version today. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Stay awesome.